Alright, so we got this roller seat from Harbor Freight. We're going to do a review of it. Here we go. Set these off to the side. So I've had a little bit of time with this stool, and for the most part, I really like it. I like, you know, the drawers; they seal well. This back part, this tool hanger, I've used it. I've taken them out just for the video, so it'd be easier. And I'm going to be flipping this over. There are two flaws that are pretty significant. First off, I was hoping to be able to use these socket holders that I also got at Harbor Freight, but there's a problem with that. They don't fit, and you know, they're a little too narrow. I should have measured that before I got them, but you know, obviously I want them to not have to be diagonally set in there. I want them to be straight. So that's the first thing that I don't like about it. The second thing is that these wheels hit this bolt right here. So then, you know, I kept thinking, oh, I'm rolling over some nails or something, you know, and so I'm going to go ahead and work on that now. We're going to add some washers in here, and then I'm going to try to shorten up these socket holders so that they'll work fine. Here we go. Alright, I'm just going to hold it there till it cools. Right. So I got these bent, and they fit nicely in. Okay, I'm going to try to do something where I 3D print a little spacer for these wheels to get them up off the ground just a little bit more. So I'm going to design it in Fusion 360, and then I am going to use Cura for the slicer, and we'll go from there. So it should be a really simple design. I'm just going to throw a circle on there, and the diameter of the circle, 1.44. No, 1.144. All right, we'll extrude that about an 1/8, and then we'll throw another sketch on there. Negative 0.06. All right, then we're gonna do one more sketch, throw a square on there. You know, we'll just go ahead and send this through all. I'll save this. You convert this, we'll grab the body here, save as STL. Okay, now we're gonna go over to Cura. All right, everything looks good there. I've got all my settings pretty much how I like them. Okay, so I noticed that the infill density was set at 20. Before I even did the print, I went back and checked it, so I'm actually going to do it at 100%. PLA is not very strong. I'm hoping that it's strong enough just to be compressed and take up space in there, but it's really not very strong. If this doesn't work, I'll have to make it out of aluminum or something, but this is quick and easy, so if it works, great. If not, well, we'll try something else. This piece is straight off the 3D printer. It's still warm. Kind of follows the contour of the wheel. All right, so I am 5'10" and a half. Don't forget the half. The half is very important. And you know, there's no height adjustment, so this is about how you sit. It's not bad. I wish it was maybe a little bit taller, but it's not bad. I like these little trays, you know, I like that they can go up or down, and when you're working on something you can pull it out. I didn't know what this thing was at first, but it's a magnetic base, and by magnetic I mean it's one of the weakest magnetic things I've seen, but it is there. If you want to take it out, there's a little plastic tray underneath, but I mean, you can feel that it's magnetic, but just a little bit. These are pretty cool.